content different place in a Negril. But we're not sure which part we are shoot the content from here. So in the supermarket of shoppers here we have pick up some things. Which are tomato, beer, cabbage. You know, so me and one of my other YouTuber friend link up. So today is gonna be an epic shoot for the. So see me and the general, everybody link up today. Shoot the content. So we are gonna pick up one purple cabbage. So I get one of the purple cabbage. And I'm gonna get one of the tomato. But remember, so we have to get the water there, man. We're gonna get some water. So what trolley we are using, brother? So how much water so we have to pick up? Guys, so we have to pick up some water.
You need so much water.
Just buy some bottle water.
No man, they can take that.
Or take one of water.
That makes sense.
So we actually have up on the beach road. So we have a long day beach park.
There man, there go and easy, you know?
Yes, this is Caribbean
Vibes cooking vlogs.
live.
Yeah, one.
Beef had this set of food if you want to cook like Jamaican beef, Jamaican.
Guys, we still don't make up our mind which part on the beach we are going to cook, but you know, anyway we decide to cook, you know, so it's going to be epic. So, when we reach at this spot, we are going to show you when we reach at this spot. I shoot the vlog today, guys, so we're between the border of Westmoreland and Hanover. These are two-sided sign, so this side says Hanover and the other side says Westmoreland. So I'm going to see it. Go on. So down here, so we are shoot the content from today. Guys, whole heap of changes for the channel for the new year. Yes guys, so today we are shoot the video as you see along the beach park and the famous sign where this side says Westmoreland. So right down here, so we are shoot the content. So we are bringing whole heap of great things to the channel as you can see. 2021, great things in store, whole heap of river content. So we are shoot the video today with another YouTuber, that's Fireworks Entertainment. So we are never kick it on the beach today, guys. So we just reached on the beach, so we are going to set up everything and make you see what go on. So stay tuned. So we just took out the things them out of the car. So first thing me I do, I make sure I line up the garbage bag, put the dirty stuff them in.
What a wonderful day to be alive.
So I do some fish today, some brown stew fish, pineapple sauce. Guys, I peel the cassava, so the cassava we are going to use to make the dumpling. So peel it and then wash off it. So after I wash off it, then I go grate it. Then I drop them on the ground, then I go take them up because I have one bag right behind. Yes sir, today is gonna be another great video. I know Caribbean vibes, we are bringing on the good content them. So anywhere if you go on the good content them, you know say I hit with the one today. Yeah. So guys, wash off the cassava in some clean water. So now the next step is to grate it, right? So, we are make some cassava dumplings today on the channel. And you know, a lot of person maybe never even eat cassava dumpling before, so. Ashley says she don't even know what is a grater. And she's a Jamaican, so I don't understand.
She girl living in a grater.
Come on, no problem. Fresh nice. Listen now. Coconut pie, coconut jab, starting with roasted peanut, cashew, peanut cake, fresh and nice. $2 for one, 3 for 5, fresh and nice. Yeah.
How much one?
2 bills. Fresh and nice. Yeah. Yeah, I know what I want. Coconut peanut. Everything I like.
So you know a thing come down. Always support the Jamaican people them so.
Right. Fresh and nice.
Alright.
What is your man? What is it? We're not going to pack it now. And if you see everything, worldwide, I'm on Facebook here. Kevin Cunningham, if you want to go and see me.
So guys, you see the party just start.
Right.
Yeah man.
Hold it for me, man. Oi. Miss, hold it see and you put me in my pocket. Let me see you. Good.
Hold it for you, my friend.
Yeah. Right. There you go.
Alright.
So guys, these are the cassava off a grater. So the next step is to add the flour in a heat and mix. Which are either combine both flour and the cassava together.
See that drops.
Add some salt in the flour with the cassava.
They start up their fire too, they see you put up the coal, but I see your fire now.
So I mixing the cassava with the flour together before actually adding any water. Little bit of water. Not too much because I don't want to spoil the people them flour today.
See, Ashley is trying to catch the fire.
Alright, so guys, they want me to start with stove. We can't do something. So we have
See how the flour come out there, guys. Cassava dumpling.
Alright, so this is the cassava.
So I failed, guys. Printer fail.
Always a man job to do the right thing.
Right?
So I'm trying to say. So me out.
Yeah, depend on the female. though.
So I'm trying to say. So me out.
Yeah, mine too.
Yo. Left me and left us to alone. Yes, to
No, left the drive and go on.
Yeah, let me care. Right, you know.
That we did for the... So the next step, I have to put on the pot on the fire and start cook. The fish, but before we season the fish, I wash off the fish them with some vinegar. I know the vinegar will help to reduce the rawness of the fish, right? So we are going to fry some what? Sinapa. Right, Rasta?
yes, man.
Yeah, man. Season up the fish, so I use some all-purpose season and some fish season. So season them and put them back in the plate. Next step, make the dumpling. So we now make now big old dumpling, that's so little. And I did already add some salt in the boiling water. We add some yellow yam in the pot now. So the next step is to add the plantain into the pot. Guys, so we add some sweet potato in the pot. Thing we are adding the banana, right? So I just peel the banana them in some water and I add some oil in it. So I add a little bit of cooking oil in the water. The reason being the cooking oil will help for the banana they not change color, nor the food them not change color. So we just check on the food, so the last thing we add in the pot are the banana, because you know banana really easy to cook. So we give it about 5 more minutes and then we take off here and start fry the fish.
Alright now guys, there on the beach, Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog, and this is Bobo from Bobo and Chubby Fireworks Entertainment. Oh please, we want to for you guys to go over there and subscribe, you understand? So if you're watching this right now, Fireworks Entertainment, you see me? All I bad video them. One just have a laugh. Just go over there. So right now we're on the beach. We are going to wait for the boss. Boss over there start going line up and to line up. You see me? Flower them done sort out and them things. So I work on the swim around them, you know. In the meantime, girls then they are going to enjoy themselves and they want a mini photo shoot on the beach front. So.
The pot hot guys, so I'm adding the fish. I put the garlic and the pepper one side. So guys, we just turn the fish them. This is the first step we put in the pot. So everything will go on. So next thing you have to cut up the vegetable to make the sauce. These are the pineapple sauce to the fish then. So we have the brown stew pineapple fish too. Guys, we want to go over for real in the morning and check out Fireworks Entertainment. Real brother. So we have a channel, me have a channel, so we just link up and we are doing the vlog today. You know, up on the beach with the same way as the don't see. It can't go better than this. Come on, respect general.
Yeah man, the chef has said one, you know?
Yeah,
Ice
man.
green and gold. The chef, you know?
Yeah man, respect general. So we are going to make the sauce with the brown stew fish and all.
Yeah, look it happen.
Yeah, so.
You know what you do man, you're perfect, you know what you do.
So we are adding some more coal to make the sauce.
Yeah. You can't find your girlfriend cook like
So I just cut out the vegetable to do the pineapple sauce. So I have my bell pepper, carrot, onion, scallion, Irish potato, thyme, tomato, and I have the pineapple right here. I'm going to add in vegetable. And I have my garlic, same seed. Add in the tomato, the Irish potato. And add in the pineapple. Salt out those vegetables. And I'm going to use some pineapple juice because I blend the pineapple juice from the yard. I'm adding in some of the pineapple juice. I make my vegetable them cook. Some fish and meat sauce. And that are going to help to add flavor. And we are going to add some ketchup. We are going to add some ketchup.
Not even but I want to popcorn. Sure them.
So I'm going to add some pimento seed. And the pimento seed are going to help to enhance the flavor and taste because pimento seed is an all-purpose spice. So I use some cucumber in it. I shred the cucumber. I just want the greenness off of the cucumber in the vegetable just to add colors. So this is it. So the sauce done. So the next step now is to add the sauce over the fish. So I'm going to add the sauce over the fish. So the pineapple sauce. Guys, as said, I make the sauce dry down a little bit more. I burn through fish with pineapple sauce. Done cooking now, so I share out the food for my brethren, which are Fireworks Entertainment. So this is for them plate, so I look more mine because the table is small, so you can't hold the whole 4 plate. So guys, we are get the reaction with friend them where I go and eat them Sunday dinner. What do you have to say about the vlog?
Have a dumpling. Never eaten before, but
Have a buzz.
Buzzy.
buzzy bad.
Buzzy. Yeah.
Let's try this cassava dumpling.
Yeah. See that peeps. Come on, enjoy.
Guys, so this is my plate, you know, and my friend them will have a good time. Bubble plate done.
Guys, them say pineapple figure up on pizza, but pineapple figure up on fish.
And one, so another great one today again. You know, we always try to give you the best content them.
Alright now, so people, I'm going to show you something where I never actually see before. Alright, I'm watching video them all the while and I see content, but I never actually see my eat the food. Watch this now.
So people, this is my plate. So we just go on full jar ourselves on the beach. Yeah man, so after we done eat and everything sort out, we're going to take a jump off in the sea. We can't come and see and take the bait. Yeah man, so another great video guys. As me always tell you, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so when we upload the content, you will be the first to receive the content. So guys, we done it. So we are going to take a wash off. So everybody alright. So we just go and do the right thing. So we are trying to find a good spot down a long bay where we can hold a wash off. People, you see how the water clean and pretty. Guys, the sound of the ocean. Water crystal clear.
I shall carry it away.
So the ladies them are go hold our vibes. And see my brother from another mother, Bobo, will go and chill out.
The water warm? Come in.
So guys, we reach to the end of the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more awesome vlog. Peace out.
See the peeps.
Guys, you know, after wake up, I'm showing you water nice.
That
We just put up and we on the beach today. That's how we are doing it, you know what I mean? Life in Jamaica can't get no better. Woo!